me to purchase this laptop is really to... Oh man. In this video we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the new MacBook Air with M2 chip. So this is the 15-inch version, the latest release from Apple, and I'm just super excited to see how it works, how it performs. This is actually the basic version, so the 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. Let's see how it goes. Core GPU, 8-core CPU. Let's have a look. Let's open this up. As always, the experience of opening Apple products is always second to none. Midnight color. It's pretty amazing. I have to say, the attention to detail, as always. It's 1.15 centimeters thick. Amazing. But before we get to that, let's see what else do we have here. So we have a charging cable. I actually chosen the charging base with 75 watts of charge, so that's the fast charge. And in the next video I will be testing how fast this MacBook Air will charge from 0 to 100 on the fastest charge possible. So if you're interested in that, head up to the next video, designed by Apple in California. Do we have the stickers? Oh yes, we do have the stickers. 70 watts USB-C power adapter. So if you choose the fast charge brick, then you don't have the extra USB-C port, which is understandable. That's it. Not that much, to be honest. So we have a charger, cable, laptop, and a tiny little box with some instructions and the stickers. I didn't even need my knife, so pretty cool from Apple. So what's kind of cool is that it's just switched on automatically without me pressing anything. Also the wrap on the top. Let me just take this off. This is the famous liquid retina, and the brightness of this screen is 500 nits, which I believe should be enough for being a good portable screen with a very wide gamut of colors. So if you're using Photoshop, Lightroom, DaVinci Resolve, I believe that this screen will be more than enough to manage all your color range that you're using. Cutout here is a little bit weird, to be honest. I'm not used to this. I'd expect the screen to be fully in. It kind of bothers my eyes when I compare it with my Windows machine. It's as if there is a sticker up here. I mean, it's just weird. The main reason for me to purchase this laptop is really to test it in terms of video editing and photo editing. I'm sure in terms of photo editing, it's gonna have no problem running Lightroom and Photoshop. However, it is questionable for me how good this machine is going to perform when running DaVinci Resolve and a 4K footage from a DSLR camera, mobile device, or a GoPro footage. In the next video, I'm going to be testing performance of this laptop compared to my PC machine, which is equivalent in price. I want to see how well this performs and whether the encoding and decoding codecs that this GPU has will be enough to actually process professional DSLR's 4K footage. And we're gonna see how better or worse this laptop performs. So if you're into this stuff, please check my other video, which I will be releasing shortly, if it's not already released. It's also super quiet. I mean, I can't hear anything. It doesn't have fans, so maybe a tiny little noise. Just very little. Now, a couple of things of what it has in terms of input. So it has the charging slot. It has 2 USB Type-C ports, so that's pretty useful. Nothing else at the front, nothing else on the other side except the jack, 3.5mm jack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up, like and subscribe. If you'd like to see something else about the MacBook Air, please don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'd be happy to test something. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.